guys, it's me, and I have some watermelon here, and we're gonna go feed some chicken. And I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at myself in my own camera. 'Cause I don't care. There you go. Watermelon. There we go. Let's go. Hi to my mother. Hey, what's up? No one, the YouTubes. Well, we have. Pardon. Is this door locked? I just couldn't open it. I had wet hands. Alright, well, we have some chickens here. But, do you love me? He wants this. Take it. Watermelon. Eat it. Chickens don't like watermelon. So be it. They just don't. But I'm sure they would love some grain, or some seed, or whatever you call their food. I don't feed them. I leave that to the peoples. And I feel like I'm gonna step on a spider. We have a lovely bag of dog food and chickens. Oh, chickens love it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh. So this is not a failure. I have not changed it on my school clothes yet, as you can tell, which you probably don't even know what school I go to. I go to Landmark Christian Academy. You want this? Yeah, you want this? They don't want watermelon, Dad. They don't. The Chance does. They don't. See, they run from it. Chance. Let it eat. Let it eat, boy. Take it right. I hate the camcorder on this thing. I can't zoom in. And that is my father. There, you've seen my family. That's just my dog. One of them. The other one is right there. She's adorable. Her name is Daisy. Daisy! 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 And see, the chickens. They follow her. Him. Dad, don't watch this video. Well, bye, my friends, and I don't know. I don't do math. I do. It's pre-algebra. But that's besides the point. Like, comment, do whatever. Subscribe if you want for more videos. And bye. I love you guys so much.